The Naväge Advanced Nose Cleaner. How to clean your device. For the best results, always follow these cleaning tips. Cleaning the upper and lower tanks. Detach and hand wash both tanks with liquid soap, then rinse with hot water. Cleaning the nose pillows, nasal dock, and U-tube. Separate the U-tube or nose pillows from the nasal dock, then wash the outside surfaces with liquid soap. To clean the interior of these parts, put a drop of liquid soap on the included scrubber, insert, and clean thoroughly. When you finish, just rinse with hot water. Cleaning the mechanical module. The mechanical module is the main body of your nose cleaner, and it is not waterproof, so do not immerse it in water or rinse the underside of it directly. Instead, wipe the external surfaces with a damp towel and liquid soap. Then wipe down with a clean, damp towel. The crushing chamber and lid can collect salt crystals over time, so rinse the indicated areas with hot water for 30 seconds to remove any residual salt. You can clean the mechanical module drain pipes by putting a drop of liquid soap on the included scrubber and scrubbing the inside surfaces. When you're finished, rinse with hot water. To clean the drain pipes more thoroughly, use the Clean Assist mode. The Advanced Nose Cleaner's Clean Assist mode allows you to rinse the inside of the device without having to remove the upper tank or manually hold the drain valve. First, remove the lower tank while leaving the upper tank attached. Second, remove the nose pillows and attach the U-tube to the nasal dock. Next, press the plus button until C appears on the screen. You're now ready to clean the inside of the device. Press and hold the power button to raise the drain valve, then run hot water into the crushing chamber. The water will run from the upper tank, around the U-tube, through the mechanical module, and empty into the sink. Deep cleaning. Once a week or as needed, spray parts with an antibacterial spray. Let sit for 10 minutes, then rinse thoroughly. Drying and storage. Always let your nose cleaner dry completely between uses. Separate the tanks, nasal dock, and nose pillows from the mechanical module, and place them on the Naväge drying mat. Always keep the nose cleaner in a clean, dry place between uses.